Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a scale when you're measuring something out like a nut butter. So to make it super easy, because if we just use like a tablespoon, who knows if that tablespoon is accurate. And if you look at the actual serving size, you'll see that we can actually get down to like the grams, not just the tablespoons. So this is way more accurate to do it this way. We don't necessarily need to get this granular with other things, but nut butters are a lot of calories. So first thing you do is you turn it on and make sure that you are zeroed out. Also make sure that you're in grams. You'll notice that a lot of scales you can go through and look at different, like this now it's in ounces. I want to make sure that we're in grams, zeroed out, put it on there. So what you do is you take the total number and you subtract your serving size. So my serving size is 15 grams, so we're gonna take that out and make it super easy, guys. Take your spoon or whatever you're gonna use. Oh my God, look at how good I am. And there we go. There's the 483 grams is left. Then you know this is exactly 15 grams, and that's how much you need on whatever you're eating. It's that simple.